Top 20 K-pop groups for 2019.
Number 20.
SHINEE.
SHINEE is a South Korean boy group formed by SM Entertainment in 2008. The group is composed of 4 members, Onu, Ki, Minho, and Taemin. Originally a 5-piece group, vocalist Jonghyun died in December 2017. The group's popularity in their native country has earned them numerous accolades and the title Princes of K-pop.
Number 19.
NCTU.
NCTU is the first subunit of the South Korean boy band NCT, consisting of 7 members, Tae, Taehyung, Doyoung, Ten, Jaeun and Mark. NCTU released double digital singles, the 7th since on April 9th and Without You on April 10th in just 2 versions, a Korean version sung by Tae, Doyoung, and Jaeun, and a Chinese version with the addition of SM rookies, Kun.
Number 18.
ITZY.
ITZY is a South Korean girl group formed by JYP Entertainment, consisting of members Yeji, Leah, Ryujin, Gayo, and Yuna. The group debuted on February 12, 2019, with the release of their single album, It Is Different. Receiving their first award 9 days after their debut, they are currently the fastest South Korean girl group to achieve their first music show win.
Number 17.
NCT Dream.
NCT Dream is the 3rd subunit and Seoul-based unit of the South Korean boy band NCT. The unit debuted on August 24, 2016 with their single Chewing Gum. The unit consists of 7 members, Mark, Rejun, Jino, Heegan, Jimin, Cheno, and Sung.
Number 16.
Mamamoo.
Mamamoo, sometimes stylized as Mamamoo, is a South Korean girl group formed by RBW in 2014. The group officially debuted on June 19, 2014 with the single Mr. Ambiguous. Their debut was considered by some critics as one of the best K-pop debuts of 2014. They are recognized for their retro, jazz, R&B concepts and their strong vocal performances.
Number 15.
SUPERM.
SUPERM is a K-pop supergroup formed in 2019 in just partnership between SM Entertainment and Capital Music Group. Capital Music Group chairman Steve Barnett asked Lee Soo-man to produce the band. The M in SUPERM stands for both Matrix and Master, with each member already an established star in their own bands.
Number 14.
ACHIEZ.
ACHIEZ, previously known as KQ Fellas, is a K-pop boy group under KQ Entertainment. It is composed of 8 members, Hongjun, Seonghwa, Yoonho, Yeosang, San, Minji, Wooyoung, and Jongho. They debuted on October 24, 2018 with Treasure Episode 1, All to Zero. On November 2nd, the group performed their song, Pirate King, on KBS2's Music Bank.
Number 13.
iKON.
iKON, stylized as iKON, is a South Korean boy band formed in 2015 by YG Entertainment. The group was first introduced in the reality survival program Win, Who Is Next as Team B. After that, Team B went on to appear in the 2014 reality survival program Mix and Match, which determined the final 7-member lineup of iKON, BI, Bobby, Jae, Junhee, Song, DK and Chanwoo.
Number 12.
MONSTA X.
MONSTA X is a South Korean boy band formed in 2015 by mid survival show No Mercy. The group is employed by Starship Entertainment and is composed of 7 members, Shonu, Wonho, Minhyuk, Kyuhyun, Hyungwon, Juhin, and IM. The group debuted on May 14, 2015 with their first EP Trespass.
Number 11.
Red Velvet.
Red Velvet is a South Korean girl group formed by SM Entertainment. The group debuted on August 1, 2014, with their digital single Happiness and with 4 members, Irene, Seulgi, Wendy and Joy. In March 2015, Red Velvet added a fifth member, Yeri, to the group.
Number 10.
17.
17, also stylized as 17 or SVT, is a South Korean boy group formed by Playtus Entertainment in 2015. The group consists of 13 members: Junior, Vernon, DK, Shukwan, Hashi, Joshua, S-Kuz, Woozy, Wonwoo, Jeonghan, The 8, Dino, and Minju, divided into 3 sub-units, each with a different area of specialization: a hip-hop unit, vocal unit, and performance unit.
Number 9.
NCT.
NCT is a South Korean boy group formed by SM Entertainment. Their name stands for the Hallyu Localization Project Neo-Culture Technology, a term coined by SM Entertainment founder Lee Soo-man to describe the group's concept of having an unlimited number of members divided into multiple sub-units based in various cities worldwide.
Number 8.
NCT 127.
NCT 127 is the second sub-unit and sole-based unit of the South Korean boy band NCT. The unit debuted on July 7, 2016, with their first extended play NCT number 127. The group composed of 9 members: Mark, Yuta, Jaeun, Johnny, Do-young, Taeyoung, Heegan, Tel, and Winwon. Members Do-young and Johnny were added to the unit on December 27, 2016.
Number 7.
TXT.
TXT, short for Tomorrow X Together, is a 5-member South Korean boy band formed by Big Hit Entertainment. The group consists of members Yeonjun, Subin, Byungju, Hunikai, and Taehoon. Following a series of promotional teasers released in January 2019, they debuted on March 4, 2019 with the EP The Dream Chapter, Star.
Number 6.
GOT7.
GOT7 is a groove dance K-pop boy group based in South Korea. Formed by JYP Entertainment in January 16, 2014, GOT7 has 7 members: leader JB, Mark, Jr., Jackson, Youngjae, Bambam and Yujeom. The group is multinational with members hailing from Korea, America, Hong Kong, and Thailand. 2 of the members, JB and JR, originally debuted as the pop duo JJ Project in 2012.
Number 5.
Stray Kids.
Stray Kids is a South Korean boy group formed by JYP Entertainment through the 2017 reality show of the same name. It is composed of 9 members: Bang Chan, Woojin, Lee No, Changbin, Hyejin, Han, Felix, Shumbin and Diane. The group released their pre-debut extended play in January 2018 and officially debuted on March 26th.
Number 4.
EXO.
EXO is a South Korean Chinese boy group based in Seoul. Formed by SM Entertainment in 2011, the group debuted in 2012 with 12 members separated into 2 subgroups: EXO-K with Suho, Baekhyun, Shinyeol, Dio, Kai, and San, and EXO-N with Jimin, Lei, Chen, and former members Chris, Loon, and Tao, performing music in Korean and Mandarin respectively.
Number 3.
TWICE.
TWICE is a South Korean girl group formed by JYP Entertainment through the 2015 reality show 16. The group is composed of 9 members: Naeun, Jeongyeon, Momo, Sana, Jio, Mina, Daeun, Cheong, and Zuyu. The group debuted on October 20, 2015, with the extended play The Story Begins.
Number 2.
Blackpink.
Blackpink, stylized as Blackpink, is a South Korean girl group formed by YG Entertainment. Consisting of members Jennie, Jisoo, Lisa, and Rosie, the group officially debuted on August 8, 2016, with their single Square One, which spawned their first #1 hit, Whistle.
Number 1.
BTS.
Bangtan Boys, also known as BTS, is a 7-member South Korean boy group formed by Big Hit Entertainment. They debuted on June 13, 2013 with the song No More Dream. They have won several new Artist of the Year awards, including those at the 2013 Melon Music Awards and Golden Disc Awards, and the 2014 Seoul Music Awards.
World Top 20. Your daily dose of information.
For more informative videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.